What's going on, guys? Chase from the Sneaker Laundry here, and I'm gonna show you how to use our brass suede resetting brush. Now, when you clean suede, what usually always happens is after it dries, it becomes really hard and really matted down. This is going to re-nap your suede. All you wanna do is start moving in one direction, allow the weight of the brush to actually do the pulling for you, and then you just let it go all to one side. Now you can always come back the other way. Just make sure that once you start moving and you've actually touched the material with the brass, that you don't stop and you follow through with the motion. So in other words, you don't want to sit there going like this, you're going to ruin your suede. Like I said, once you start, just follow through on the motion, and then you can come back. Once you start, just follow through on the motion. Once you are finished with those steps, your suede is going to be re-napped and super soft. So head on over to www.thesneakerlaundry.com.au and grab yourself some TSL products today.